Hey there, are you tired of that annoying hollow sound coming from your keyboard spacebar? Don't worry. Today I'm here to guide you on how to fix hollow sound in spacebar and bring back the satisfying click-clack of a typing experience. Whether you're a gamer, writer, or casual user, a silent and solid sounding keyboard can make a world of difference. So let's dive into the process and get that spacebar sounding just right. Step 1. Gather your tools. First things first, gather all the necessary tools for this project. You'll need a keycap puller, a small Phillips head screwdriver, foam or silicone dampening material, tweezers, lubricant-suitable keyboard stabilizer. Having these tools handy will make the process smooth and efficient. Step 2. Remove the spacebar. Using the keycap puller, gently pull up the spacebar to remove it from the keyboard. If there's resistance, try to wiggle it lightly to avoid damaging the keycap or the stabilizers underneath. Once the spacebar is off, you'll have better access to the components causing the hollow sound. Step 3. Examine the stabilizer. Stabilizers are crucial in maintaining the stability of the spacebar. Check if they are properly seated and in good condition. If they seem loose or misaligned, use the screwdriver and tweezers to adjust them until they are snugly fit. Firm stabilizer setup can drastically reduce unwanted noise. Step 4. Apply lubricant to the stabilizer. Now it's time to apply lubricant to the stabilizers. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the metal wire connecting the stabilizer inserts. Be careful not to overdo it. Too much lubricant can cause stickiness and reduce responsiveness. The right amount will ensure a smoother, quieter keystroke. Step 5. Install foam or silicone dampening. Cut small pieces of foam or silicone dampening material and place them inside the spacebar keycap. This will help absorb the hollow sound and provide a more cushioned press. Ensure that the material is evenly distributed to maintain the balance and feel of the key press. Step 6. Reattach the spacebar. Carefully reattach the spacebar by pressing it back onto the stabilizers and switch. Make sure it snaps into place and test the keystroke to ensure it feels comfortable and sounds quieter. If the hollow sound persists, re-examine the dampening and lubricating steps. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to fix hollow sound in spacebar and transformed your typing experience. Quiet, responsive keyboard can make a huge difference in productivity and comfort, so give yourself a pat on the back for taking this step. Remember to maintain your keyboard regularly to keep it in top-notch condition. Feel free to share this guide with fellow keyboard enthusiasts or anyone troubled by a noisy spacebar. Happy typing and enjoy your newfound silence.